now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, overall, we had a really nice weekend, and we're going to have a really nice work week upcoming. Just on and off chances for a shower or a thunderstorm through the next probably 5 days or so. Nothing like that right now as we take a live look outside to the Dickinson area. Very picturesque sunrise out there, 59 degrees in the Dickinson area. West-northwest winds are at 13 miles an hour, most likely gusting toward 20 or 25, which isn't atypical for this, for North Dakota out there. So temperatures elsewhere aren't too bad. Most places are in the upper 50s, but we do have a couple of places that have crossed into the 60-degree threshold up to the northeast. Mobridge is at 63, 61 in Stanley and Williston. And look at Minot, the Magic City, already 67 degrees, but it is a little bit sticky out there with these dew points in the upper 50s. Rugby and Harvey still in the lower 60s. So when you head out the door this morning, you will feel that moisture and that humidity in the air. Thankfully, we do have a front that is crossing the area as we speak that should work to dry things out. Winds kind of light and variable right now, kind of all over the place. Calm in the capital city as well as in Linton. Here's the satellite radar picture, and you can see that deck of cloud cover moving off to the east over the Red River Valley. You might be wondering, where are the fronts right now? Well, they are right there. There's that warm front, and there's that cold front. They'll both slowly be moving. We're kind of in the Bermuda Triangle right now between the two forces there, but that cold front should be sliding through probably by around 10 or 10:30 this morning. Lots of sunshine today. You'll see just a couple of high clouds as that front crosses the area this morning, and then abundant sunshine for the rest of the day. As we move into tonight, we'll have a weak system passing by that could touch off a stray shower, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm across western and northwestern sections. And one or two of those storms might, in the perfect condition, become severe, but really don't expect a lot tonight. You can see just a marginal threat there for southwestern sections. And there's that dry line marching its way through the rest of the viewing area as we go through the morning and then afternoon hours. So it'll take a little bit longer if you're in Ashley for it to dry out, but I think by the time you sit down for dinner, things should be good. And area-wide by the time you tune in for KX News at 10 tonight. A really nice day shaping up in the capital city, 86 degrees with very warm temperatures. And like I said, it will be a little bit humid early, but drying out as we go through the day with those winds gusting to about 20 miles an hour. About the same thing in the Magic City there. You can see 83 degrees, breezy at times, but lots of sunshine out there. Everybody, it's going to be a warm day out there, upper 80s for many of us, lower 90s for areas to the southwest. You can see there, Linton, Mobridge, and Ashley, each with a distinct possibility of flirting with 90 degrees. Here's your 3-day forecast for the Dickinson area. A chance for rain late tonight, probably after midnight, and then Wednesday night and into Thursday with temperatures mostly in the 80s. Same thing for the Williston area, a late day shower and maybe a morning sprinkle tomorrow before a mostly sunny Wednesday. And in the Bismarck extended forecast, 80s are the theme here for the next couple of days. Then we sort of cool off as we head for the second half of the week with more persistent rains possible once we get into like Friday afternoon and throughout the day on Saturday. About the same thing for the Magic City. Chance for a shower or storm tonight. Then we dry out for the rest of the week until the end of the week when the chances for rain return, guys.
I'm hoping the heat that we have today will heat up our garden enough, because it's just it's our first garden ever, and we can just barely see some green starting to pop up. And Aaron's not convinced that they are sprouts. I don't know if it's weeds or sprouts. So
you'll find out here relatively soon if they're weeds or not.
Yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty green out there. Should we expect it to dry up at all or get a little brown, or is it just going to keep staying green, Robert?
I think we'll be okay here for the next couple weeks.
All right, sounds good. Thank you. Keep it with us here on